We live in a world where we can't focus for 10 minutes without touching our mobile. One notification, boom, complete concentration is gone. One meme, one reel, and suddenly 2 hours just disappear. But the people who can control their distractions then actually control their lives. So in this video, I will show you how to kill distractions like a pro. Step by step, real and practical ways. No motivational stuff. So, why you are always distracted? Let's be honest. Distractions aren't just because of mobile or Instagram. It's because of your brain is addicted to easy dopamine. Those quick hits of pleasure you get from checking notifications or whatever stuff. Your brain literally goes, why study for 2 hours when I can scroll for 2 minutes and feel good instantly? So the problem isn't you being lazy. It's your brain being trained to seek shortcuts. Once you understand that, you stop blaming yourself. The real enemy, not your phone, but your environment. Yes, your environment will decide your focus. If your phone is next to you with internet on and apps open, you will basically saying, okay brain, distract me whenever you want. So rule 1. Make distractions hard to reach. Keep your mobile in another room while working. Use D&D mode. And if you are studying in a laptop, use blockers like stay focused or cold turkey. It's not about willpower, it's about environment power. Now this one is next level. If you really want to kill distractions, you just need dopamine detox or what I call a focus reboot. Here's how it works. For one full day, no reels, no YouTube shorts, no mindless scrolling, no background Netflix. Just real world stuff. Walk, think, read, talk to someone. At first it will feel boring. You will crave your phone. But on second day, your brain starts craving focus again. That's how you rewire your brain back to deep work. Now make this practical. Here's a daily routine that helps you kill distractions automatically. Step 1. Morning focus block. First 1 hour after waking up, no phone. Just one task that actually matters. Studying, writing, thinking, whatever. Step 2. Reward system. After every 90 minutes of focus, reward yourself. It can be a snack, short walk or 10-minute chill scroll. But set a timer. Don't fall into a scroll trap again. Step 3. Night routine. Before sleeping, plan your next day top 3 tasks. No phone 30 minutes before bed. It resets your mind and keep you wake up calm. These small things compound, and 1 week after this, you will literally feel your attention span coming back. Okay, now let's talk about the kill switch. It's nothing but your emergency trick when you catch yourself getting distracted. Whenever you feel the urge to check your phone, say out this loud. Is this helping me or just numbing me? That one question instantly makes your brain aware. It pulls you out of autopilot mode. You will be shocked how many times you realize you are just avoiding something important. That's the moment to switch. Take a deep breath, stand up and reset your focus. Killing distractions isn't about becoming a monk. It's about balance. You don't have to delete Instagram. Just control when you use it. Here's a simple rule. Create before you consume. In other words, finish your important task first. Then enjoy your scroll guilt-free. This small mindset shift will change your productivity completely. Also hang around with focused people. If your friends are always on reels, you will be too. So change people to change your focus. Let's be real for a second. You will fail sometimes. You will get distracted, waste times. Spend your time on binge watch, but that's fine. The goal isn't perfection, it's about progress. Every time you catch yourself and come back, that's a win, because every comeback strengthens your focus muscle. So remember this, the ones who win in life aren't the smartest, they are the ones who can focus the longest. If you can learn to control your attention, you can literally control your life. If this video helpful, drop a comment with focus mode on, so I know you are serious about killing distractions. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.